tornado warning. Ring, 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 ring. Oh no, what is that? What is that? Wake up, wake up. It's tornado warning. What? Don't be silly. Don't be silly. I'm not silly. It's actually real. Come on, let's get our shoes on. We're probably gonna have to leave. Great idea. Come on, let's go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Everything's gonna... Wait, Jake! Get up, Jake! Huh? Oh, sorry. Everything's gonna be alright, okay? We're just gonna have to get our mom, because I don't think she... Shut up. Be quiet now. What's going on? A tornado. Okay, let's get out of here right now. Okay, come on. Let's get out of here. Come on. Leave your phone here, okay? I really want it. Leave your phone here. Fine. Whatever. Can't hear you right. Oh my gosh. You know that? Oh no. Stop doing that. Sorry. It's kind of laggy, but okay. Okay, the basement is... here's the basement. Okay, down here. Okay, what the... What is all that stuff here? Oh, wait. I forgot. Okay, where are the people? This might take a while. Okay. Close the door. Okay, oh no, I left my phone. What if it flies away? Don't worry about your phone. I just told you. You don't need your phone. Ugh. But I do. Why do you not even care? Don't worry about your phone. Just worry about your... Why do you care? I don't like it when you're so mean. Cicely, you're being mean. Don't... wait, hold on. Don't worry about your phone. Okay? Just worry about your family. I don't know why you're worrying about it. Just stop it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about that phone. It's just... But I want it. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. Ugh. Shut up, bro. Jesus. Just shut up. Don't worry about your phone. But why? I just told you. Shut up. Okay, tornado's out. Let's go back home. Hold on, let me check if the microphone's on. Okay. They go to bed. Ugh, I'm so mad at you, man. Dang, Joe, you didn't have to be so mean. Whatever, shut up, okay? Hey. The end of the tornado.